Hi guys, this is the first video I'm doing regarding this pencil unboxing and this making unboxing video also for me. This is the first time. Yeah. Okay. So I got this Amazon the delivery today. So I'm about to do the unboxing. So let me quickly walk you through what exactly I have got delivery. So here the contact details are there. So I'll quickly pause here and tear the wrapper and I'll come back. Yep. So here I got this is the nicely plastic wrapped box. So while tearing the upper one, it got a bit of teared out. This one also. So I got Apple Pencil here. So it comes with nice plastic wrapper packaged. So here I hope this is like this is for extra protection of from water and all. And here you can see this premium quality packaging also here. And this is the front side. What is the front side? Okay. So here I can see the price and all. I think guys you can able to see it here. So I got it for 8,400. So some 100 rupees off I got. So 8,400 I got. So let me tear out the upper wrapper. We'll see what and all we got. So this is the front side, I hope. So you can able to see the pencil here. And this is the Apple logo with return pencil here. So here the Apple manufacturer details. Yep. Apple Pencil design. Yep. It supports iPad 6th generation, then 9.7 inch iPad Pro, then 12 inches. And this is the guide how to connect the pencil. So that's all. We'll see what exactly inside we are getting here. This is the side to open. Okay, we'll keep this one side. Nice, designed by Apple California. So this is the one. Wow, nice. So we'll get user here. We are getting few of user manuals. We'll keep this one side. Yeah, we have here one extra lead, pencil knob one, and this is for charging directly from using the Apple charger. And we have the user manual here. Yep, this is the user manual, and these are also few other user manuals with. Yep. So as of now we'll keep this one aside. Let me pack it as it was. Yep, here it goes. We keep this one also aside. So this is the Apple Pencil. Wow, it comes exactly the same size of the normal pencil how we are using. So let me open it. Yep, this is for charging and pairing with the Apple device. So guys, this is all about unboxing. So let me quickly show you. This is the only one thing. So I'll use for few days and I'll provide you the detailed review. So that's all for today guys. अगर ये वीडियो अगर आप लोग को अच्छा लगा, you liked it, just give a like and subscribe the channel. Thank you.